When considering saving money on dental implants, a couple things are really important. First of all, look for a doctor who can do everything from the planning of the implant to the placing of the implant to the restoring of the implant. The reason that's so important is that the restorative dentist is the one that plans where the tooth should go. And that's the dentist that's going to understand where the implant needs to go so that they can properly engineer the connection between the two. Because implant dentistry is not done by planning the implant first. It's done by planning where does the tooth go. That's what we're interested in, because it gives people not only teeth to smile with, but teeth to eat with, teeth that act like teeth, teeth that function normally. Another thing that's important to consider when trying to save money on implants is not to wait too long. Sometimes people throw good money after bad by trying to save a tooth that's really just too far gone to save. Whereas if they had invested in an implant up front, they would then have something that would be functioning well, very strong, long-term, that are the closest thing to natural teeth that we can create. And another important consideration is to look for a doctor that offers multiple treatment options at multiple price points. Because there is no cookie-cutter implant dentistry that's going to work for everybody. We often see the billboards that are advertising all on 4 or 3 on 6. Well, that might be just right for you, but there's a very good chance that it's not. And how are you going to know if you're just being sold on an advertisement? The only way to know is to have a free consultation with New Smile or any other place that offers a free consultation. Shop around and find what the option that's best for your particular situation. Just by thinking implants are too expensive for me might not be a reality until you explore that and find out maybe you really can afford implants. Maybe you really can have the smile you dreamed of. Maybe you really can eat corn on the cob again. And so if you are a patient that is in need of a restorative process that involves implant dentistry, I encourage you to come into New Smile and let's explore your options together. We will give you a free estimate and you'll know exactly what you're getting into, and then you can make the best decision for you. I look forward to meeting you.